Oh boy, we're here. Cheers to you guys. We're here again. It's me, Kenny Han, making a video once again. My hair is so messed up. I actually wasn't planning on making a video today, but I wanted to give you guys an update. Basically tell you guys what the hell I've been up to, what have I been doing, and everything kind of in that nature. So, obviously, the winter build series was kind of a flop. I mean, I got like 2 videos out, and then it just became super freaking cold, and I just didn't want to work on the car because I just didn't want to be super cold. So that was a flop, and so I put that on pause. In terms of what I've been up to, well, oh my gosh. Right there. You're right there, bro.
I fucking had it.
You're right there. I mean, I guess that's really about it, right? Like just life, working, stuff like that, grinding away. Kind of sucky that I couldn't make videos. I mean, I guess I could have, but I kind of sucky I didn't make videos. I really have to think about a plan. I know some of you guys in California, Texas, Florida are really just enjoying that weather. Super jealous of y'all. But today is really nice out. Again, I didn't plan on making this video, so I kind of don't know what I'm actually gonna do. But there's actually a couple things that I need to do. One, I need to detail the car because the car looks absolutely horrendous, and I'll show you guys what happens if you don't, like, I guess, clean your car before you store it. I mean, I drove the car a couple times during the winter, but whatever, you guys know what I mean. And then do an oil fluid swap. We'll see, because I don't even know if the oil is gonna come in on time. And then I actually have a couple parts that I want to put on, but depending on how fast everything gets done, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll just do everything in one video. Maybe I'll split the video out. Who knows? I don't know what I'm exactly doing right now, but other than that, yeah, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the new spring build series, and I can't wait for you guys to be on this journey with me once again. Season 2, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Again, I'm super sorry about flopping on that winter build series, but season 2, we back. Other than the brake dust, man, this Supra just looks so sad. I mean, it used to be a nice pearlescent white. Now it's like a very gross white color-ish thing. Especially the sides. I mean, I've driven it a couple times during the winter. I mean, if we have a winter now in Chicago, it's just kind of just cold now, but yeah, it's so sad. But today we're gonna fix that. $50 for this table. Isn't that crazy? Always the first day of cleaning your car and just setting everything up for detailing is the most annoying day, especially when you live in the suburbs because everything's in storage. Now you're taking everything out. It's just so much shit you gotta do. What I got for you guys is a little part. Oh, well, I'm showing it now in front of my hand. I got a set of gold badges. So this is matte gold with the absolute white back on it. And I got this from a store. I don't want to say the store because I don't want to put them on blast. Some people like the quality of these badges. I don't really like the quality of them. I was actually kind of disappointed how they came out. And honestly, when looking at them, they're kind of bad. And this is just my user review of the product. Not only did I feel like correspondence with the brand wasn't like clear, but the quality of the product itself isn't up to par for what I essentially paid for. And I was gonna put these guys on, but I decided not to. I decided to return them instead. So I'm gonna be sending these guys back because I don't want to put like crappy quality parts on the Supra. And I'm not saying these are crappy, some people like them, but they're just not up to my standard. However, my vision is to put some gold badges on the car. So on the Supra, so this is the Supra right now, you know, just regular OEM badge. And if you put like a gold badge on it, right, like it looks pretty sick, right? I think it looks pretty homage, pretty vintage to the old like Toyota when they did like the whole like gold colorway. The only problem is I also kind of messed up. This is my bad. This is matte, not polished. Toyota does polished gold badges, not matte, and so I got that part kind of messed up, but that's not why I'm returning them. Really, the reason why I'm returning them is I don't think the quality is not good. So I'm gonna put these guys on. I'm gonna find another reputable brand that makes this stuff, and then I'm gonna put them on the back as well. That looks pretty sick, right? With the gold Supra logo as well. So I think white on gold looks super sick for this car. That means potentially I might have to get some gold bronze wheels, maybe. We'll see. You know, majority of you guys probably don't know this, but your Supra has a built-in waterfall feature. Check this shit out. Look at that. Look at all my hard work now being ruined. Oh my god.
Damn, boy, he's sick!
Fail. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. I know I didn't really do much in this video. It was kind of me like primarily detailing the car. It was pretty dirty, you gotta admit, but now since it's nice out, right, I get to drive the car more, make more videos for you guys. That's the most important part. And yeah, just get back into the swing of making videos again. Actually, a part that I was waiting for a decent amount of time already arrived today. So comment down below what you guys think it is. It's like literally right there. Yeah, let me know what you guys think it is. I'll give you a hint. It does change the car to give it an aggressive look. So hope you guys get the hint. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. You know, thanks for tuning in. Again, Spring Supra Build Series Season 2. Let's get it. As always, be safe. See you guys later. Peace.
참 손잡은 그